Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very attractive and beautiful 3D crochet flower for baby heads. This is very easy to make. For this crochet project, I am using a 5 steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 millimeter and a 3 ply cotton yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your finger like this, leaving 8 to 10 inches long strand, and pull the second yarn through first one to make a magic ring. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet here. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the ring, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first, then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Repeat the same pattern, make another double crochet stitch like this. Wrap the yarn again, draw a loop, pull through 2 and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Make a double crochet stitch into this ring, and in this way make total of 15 double crochet stitches into this ring. Now pull the starting yarn to close this magic ring and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Now our first round is completed. Make 3 chains to start the second round, and these 3 chains will also be counted as a double crochet. Make 3 more chains, skip 1 double crochet stitch. After chain 3, go into the next double crochet stitch and make a double crochet into it. Make 3 chains, skip 1 double crochet, go into the next one, make a double crochet stitch into it. Make 3 chains again, skip 1 stitch, go into the next one, make a double crochet. So this is our pattern. Make 3 chains, skip 1 stitch, make double crochet in next one till the end. Now make 3 chains. We have total of 16 in the first round, including 3 chains. And now make a slip stitch into the third chain, and because we have skipped 1, so we have total of 8 double crochet stitches, half of the 16 in this second round. Pull this yarn, cut with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now with the help of needle, weave this yarn end. So I have woven this yarn end. Now we would use white color. Start from any double crochet stitch. Make a slip knot of this yarn first and then attach it. Make 4 chains and then into the very next double crochet stitch. After chain 3, make a single crochet. Now make 2 chains. Turn up your work, and we are going to work in this chain 4 space. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and after making 4 double crochet stitches, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. And to make a chain picot, work on the 2 loops and make a single crochet like this. Now in the same space again, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and then double crochet 4. So this pattern is here completed, and we are going to work in this double crochet stitch from this side. So on the side of this double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5. So after making 5 double crochet stitches here, now we are going to make a slip stitch in this next double crochet stitch where we have made single crochet. So make a slip stitch here. Now we would make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 again, and make a single crochet in the next double crochet stitch of previous round here. Make chain 1 and then chain 2, turn up the work again, and we are going to start our work into this chain 4 space. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4. After making 4 double crochets, again make chain 3, go into the 2 top loops of the last double crochet, draw up a loop and pull the yarn through these 2 loops to make a single crochet like this. Then again into the chain 4 space we would start working by making double crochets. So this is our double crochet 1, then double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4. So after making 4 double crochet stitches here, go to the front side again, and now we are going to work on the side of this double crochet stitch. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5. So after making 5 double crochet stitches, again we would make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch where we have made single crochet before. So these are the petals of flower. We would just make these petals till the end. Now for last petal, make 4 chains like this, and we are going to make a single crochet in this double crochet stitch in which we have started our working with this change color of yarn. So make a single crochet here simply, and we would make 2 chains, and we would work into this chain 4 space the same like before, and then 5 double crochet stitches on the side of double crochet, and I have made this petal exactly the same process as we have done for the first 2 petals. Now make a slip stitch into this double crochet stitch and pull the yarn. We will need a long yarn tail to attach this flower and attach a smaller sized bead in the center with this tapestry needle using the starting yarn. So you can see this flower, and I have attached it on head with the help of tapestry needle. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.